So if you've ever worked on a vehicle and you thought you had an easy job and then you get into it and something breaks, well, we're gonna go over how to deal with a broken bolt in this video. Okay, so we do have one small problem. While trying to get this bolt off, the good old boy broke. All right, so let's go through the process of what I did here. So I ended up covering this off so I could have a decent workspace without the pan being in my way, so I can visibly see this broken bolt here. And what I did, I ended up starting at the center of the broken spot with a small drill and gradually stepped it up as I ended up stepping all the way up to a 3/16, which was the last one needed to actually get in there and core out the last bit of the bolt. Then what I ended up doing is I used pliers to grab on to the end of what was sticking out and kind of started to pull that down, so you know that some of the bolt is left in the groove of the hole. Now what I found was very useful is once I grabbed the last piece, basically what I did is I pushed this needle nose pliers up as I turned to just get all of the metal that was left in the grooves out. And so when I ran the bolt through here, everything was good to go. So that's how I ended up removing this broken bolt from here. So I hope this video was interesting for those who you're doing a job and something breaks. There's a method to get it done. We were able to save this hole and all is well.